Welcome to Frequency of Success, where we help you tap into your inner power, raise your vibration, and align with the frequency of wealth, success, and fulfillment. If you're ready to take control of your energy and start manifesting the life you've always dreamed of, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's elevate together. Have you ever had one of those days where everything feels off? Maybe you feel stuck, overwhelmed, or even just drained. You're not alone. These can be signs that you're vibrating at a low frequency. Today, we're going to look at how to recognize when you're in a low vibration state and how to shift yourself into a higher frequency to attract more positive outcomes. First, let's break down what it means to vibrate at a low frequency. Low vibration states are often associated with emotions and thoughts that make us feel heavy or restricted. Think of emotions like fear, anger, frustration, and doubt. When we're experiencing these emotions for a prolonged period, they start to become our baseline, and that's when we can say we're vibrating at a low frequency. So how do you know if this is happening? There are some clear signs. One of the most common signs is feeling tired all the time, no matter how much sleep you get. This is because negative emotions drain your energy. When your mind is filled with worry or anger, it's exhausting. You're using up so much energy on these thoughts that there's little left for anything else. This constant fatigue can be a big red flag that something is off with your frequency. Another sign is that you feel stuck or blocked. It's that feeling that no matter what you do, nothing seems to move forward. You might be trying to work toward a goal, but everything feels like an uphill battle. When you're vibrating at a low frequency, it's easy to attract more obstacles, which only makes you feel more stuck. It's a cycle, and it can feel impossible to break out of. You might also find yourself easily irritated or frustrated. Little things set you off, and you find yourself reacting strongly to situations that wouldn't normally bother you. This is a classic low vibration response. When you're in a higher frequency, things roll off your back more easily, and you're better able to keep your cool. But when you're in a low frequency, every little thing can feel like an attack or a problem. If you notice that you're constantly comparing yourself to others or feeling envious, that's another sign of a low vibration. When you're operating from a place of abundance and confidence, other people's successes don't threaten you. But in a low vibration state, it's easy to fall into the trap of comparison. This mindset drains your energy and keeps you focused on what you lack rather than what you have. And finally, you may feel disconnected from yourself and from others. You might have trouble feeling joy, even in situations that used to make you happy. You might avoid social interactions or feel like nobody really understands you. This disconnection is a big sign of low vibration because it shows that you're out of alignment with who you truly are. Now, let's talk about how to shift out of this state. The good news is that it's entirely possible to raise your vibration, and you can start doing it right now with a few simple practices. One of the most effective ways to raise your vibration is through gratitude. It might sound simple, but gratitude is incredibly powerful. When you're in a low-frequency state, your mind tends to focus on what's wrong, what's missing, or what you don't have. Gratitude shifts your focus back to what's good in your life. Try starting each day by thinking of 3 things you're grateful for. They can be small things: a warm cup of coffee, a good conversation, or even just the fact that you woke up healthy. Focusing on gratitude raises your vibration by changing the way you see the world. Another great way to raise your vibration is through movement. Physical activity helps you release negative energy that may be stuck in your body. You don't have to do anything intense. Even a short walk, some gentle yoga, or dancing to your favorite song can be enough. Movement gets your blood flowing, increases your energy, and naturally raises your frequency. Plus, it's hard to feel low energy when you're moving your body and getting your heart rate up. Breathing exercises are another powerful tool. When we're stressed or anxious, our breathing becomes shallow, and this only adds to the tension. Taking a few minutes to breathe deeply and intentionally can calm your nervous system and help you release tension. Try inhaling slowly for a count of 4, holding for 4, and then exhaling for 4. Repeat this for a few minutes and you'll notice a shift in your energy. Breathing exercises help you get back into alignment and raise your frequency almost instantly. Connecting with nature is another wonderful way to raise your vibration. Nature has a grounding effect that can be incredibly calming and uplifting. Whether it's a walk in the park, sitting by a tree, or even just standing outside and feeling the sun on your skin, spending time in nature helps you reconnect with yourself. Nature reminds us that we're part of something bigger, and that perspective can help shift us out of a low vibration state. Another powerful tool is affirmations. When you're vibrating at a low frequency, your mind is usually filled with negative self-talk. Affirmations can help you rewrite these thought patterns. Try saying things like, "I am worthy," "I am capable," or "I am in control of my energy." Even if you don't fully believe these statements right away, repeating them consistently will start to shift your mindset. Over time, these affirmations become part of your inner dialogue, raising your vibration and creating a more positive mental environment. And finally, be mindful of the people you surround yourself with. Energy is contagious, and if you're spending time around people who are always negative, it's going to be that much harder for you to maintain a high vibration. This doesn't mean you have to cut people out of your life, but it does mean setting boundaries. If someone is constantly bringing you down, limit your exposure to them. Spend more time with people who uplift you, who believe in you, and who encourage you to grow. Remember, raising your vibration is a daily practice. You won't go from low to high overnight, but every small step you take makes a difference. The more you focus on gratitude, movement, affirmations, and positive energy, the more you'll find yourself naturally shifting into a higher frequency. And when you're vibrating at a higher level, you attract better experiences, stronger relationships, and more opportunities. So, pay attention to how you feel, notice the signs of low vibration, and use these tools to raise your frequency. It's not just about feeling good in the moment. It's about creating a life that aligns with who you really are. Thanks for tuning in to Frequency of Success. If you found value in today's video, be sure to like, share, and drop a comment below with what resonated most with you. Remember, your journey to success starts with aligning your frequency. So stay locked in, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep vibrating higher.